Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the shop here with my 3-year-old. She's pretending to be Dale Earnhardt there. And as you saw, we got some really cool coil mounts for the Tahoe. So let's begin. I got more lights going on there if you guys notice, which is awesome. Really brightens it up in here. Like really brightens it up. We're gonna get one for the middle there, instead of the strip that I wanted to do, but it really brightens it up. Also doesn't help that it's, 10 in the morning. So we're gonna start. Don't mind the 3-year-old. We're gonna start by I'm gonna take these brackets off here, and then put the then we'll unbox the new ones, and we'll take a good look at them before we put them on. Stay tuned, folks. Last bolt. Hardest one to get was way back there. Alright, come on. It's taking forever. Oh, that thing's heavy. Oh, I gotta unplug that wire, and then we'll be back. Alright, as you guys can see, we got it off. Doesn't look that bad under here. I thought it'd be more chipped up and scratched than it is. It's a little dusty, dirty. So before I put the other stuff on, look at that. I'm gonna give it a spray. Spray it off with the compressor. And then we'll put the nice billet pieces on. But first, you gotta get this side here off. So, I'm probably gonna have to take the catch can. I already took the top of the AC hose stuff off, which is super easy. And then I'll just take this bolt out for the catch can, and I'll just move that over, and then it should be able to just take all that out easily. I don't know what you guys think. So I'll let you know. We'll be back right away. Alright guys, got this one off and got everything all wiped down. A couple of nicks in it, but you won't notice that when the brackets are on. I covered the holes quick just because I don't want to get any kind of gunk in here. And I have a question for you guys. Where do you put compressor oil? In this side or this side? Because it leaked out some oil, and I would like to, refill it if I can, or top it up. So comment down below. I'd love to hear it. So, but now I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff here back together, so that you don't notice this in the next video, which will actually is coming out before this video. It's the computer stuff. You guys would have seen that last video, but I'm filming this part before because I'm still waiting on the stuff for this, but it'll be out before. Well, you guys get the gist of it, right? Before I finish this up, type of thing. So, because this is next on the list, and this will be here in a couple days. So, and that's also, when that comes, is when I'll take these the packs off and I'll put them on. I kept them, on the sides that they were, so that, there's no issue with anything. That's where I'm gonna end this part of the video. It's almost noon. I gotta head home, get some lunch happening for my oldest, and we'll be back when the parts come back to do an unboxing. See you then. All back together. You can't even really tell, except for this side. Right on. Now to wait for the stuff. Look what showed up, guys. Only a few days late. That's FedEx for you. Horrible company. Anyways, but can't remember where we left off at all. No memories. I had a lot of stuff go on in the last couple days, and we'll talk a little bit about that here, and you guys are going to be excited. But here we are. Here's a part number. Okay. And these are the coil holders. Let's see if it has a description somewhere. I don't see it. For the square guys. So I'm going to unpackage it and put a coil pack together, and we'll see what it looks like. Actually, before I put the one together, I figured I'd take a quick look at the instructions here and actually look at one of them. Oop. There. That's nice, hey? It's going to look so good on the valve cover. My gross fingers. Can't wait. So here's how you install it. So I guess that's where we're gonna start. Oh, sorry about that, my ugly mug. I'm guessing all of these bolts are the same size as well. So let's get one on, shall we? All right, guys. As you can see, I got them out. Got them on, I should say. So they look not bad, actually. Really nice piece. Again, that's the part number, and those are the coils that they fit. As you can see, that number there. So now, damn it, I keep hitting the wrong button. Let's put one on here and see how it looks. Be right back, folks. All right, guys, as you can see, got the easier side done first. And what do you think? I think that looks so much better. Comment down below. Do you think it was worth it? It's like 70 bucks with shipping. I think it was worth it. So now, I'm gonna take the stuff apart on this side, do this side, and then we'll see what it looks like all finished up. And then we got some stuff to talk about. So stay tuned, guys. We got some big stuff to talk about. I'm excited. So stay tuned. All right, guys. There we are. So you saw last time, this side's all done. Looking really good. Comment down below. Should I put a clamp on that? I don't think I'm going to need to, because there wasn't one to begin with. So, but yeah, it looks really good. The side you can see. Now, over here where you can't see. Oh, yeah, it still looks not bad. Heck of a lot better than it did before. So, awesome. One step closer, guys. Now, check this out. I want to talk about one step closer. Sorry for the lighting. I'm going to be doing some work for a guy who does LED lighting. So that's going to be, in a future video. Because I might put a Starlight headliner in this thing. What do you guys think? I think it'd be cool. Alright, let me close this. Sorry about that. Now, let me put what I've got down in front here. And boom! I got the electric fans, guys. I got the E-fans out of an 05 GMC, I believe it was. So, but also, so I don't forget, here again, the info for the valve cover, or the valve cover mounting brackets for the coils. That's the part number. That's the coil that they'll work with. So, but yeah, we got the fans. I do have to order a fan harness because the junkyard parts, right? Let me show you here. Closing the door. And then we got something really cool to talk about. So, boom. Here's the two pigtails, right, for the fans. Then they cut them. They cut the fucking wiring. Sorry for my swearing. So, I got no relays, no nothing like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this back, is order one off of Amazon. And that'll be here probably closer to the end of the month. Which brings me to the big news I got today. As you guys heard in the last video, today I was going to be contacting the harness place, Phobia, in Martinsville, just to see, how they're making out. I was worried about our last, communication that we had because of the whole, possible misunderstanding. They never cleared that up, so I'm kind of worried about that. But they messaged me today to tell me that my harness is done. So while you guys are watching this video, I will be probably halfway there, if not there, and picking it up. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be awesome. Also, I asked them if I could film, just check them out. They did me a solid here. Well, it's about $2,000 is what they charged me to do this harness. So, I guess. But yeah, they're letting me film their shop. Go in and do an interview with them and check out what they got going on and stuff like that. Because if they could get this thing to work with what the last people did to it, like the last place I took the harness to, if they can get, then they deserve some recognition. They deserve, a round of applause and some shout outs, honestly. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. I don't know, should I do a picking up the stuff or not? Or I might just do a video on there. I won't do a video on going and picking up the harness. So, because you guys will know when I'm there why I'm there. So, but, alright guys, I'm going to stop babbling. Go home, make some supper, get this video edited and set up so that it drops tomorrow for you guys, because I won't be home to upload it. I'll be on the road getting the harness. That's awesome. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of exciting stuff happening. A lot of exciting things are about to come. I went to my farm, or I guess it's my uncle's farm now, last night, and I'm going to be restoring my grandfather's Skidoo. So stay tuned for that. It's a vintage Massey Ferguson Ski Whiz. I've done one before with my company that I used to have before I got injured. And that thing turned out, well, ended up being a museum piece. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. So, but anyways, like I said, I'm going to go make some supper and edit this up. So until next time, guys, stay safe out there. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Send, this to people that you think might be interested in this kind of stuff. Because we're going to be making noise right away. Like, probably within the next couple videos. Maybe even video 100. Because we're almost there. Like, we're like at 98, 99 videos right now. So maybe video 100 will be turn the key and fire it up. Or touring phobia. I don't know. We'll see how it works out, guys. Anyways, I'm done. Love ya. God bless.